right, guys. Hey, it's me, Doreen, Pastor D. Anyway, I just want to show you my office space that I got from Amazon. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, but let's not stop there. Check it out. Check it out. I have two. Let me give you some spacing about it. As you can see, the colors do change. I was able to get my computer on. I love the shelves. I got my mic set up because that's what I do. All right, so we got all that. I got my little calendar, all that good stuff because that's what I do. And yeah, pretty much I love it. Right, nice little space. Let's get some lights going on. Hold on, let's see. Lights do change. Love it. Love it. Yes, they do change. They can go mellow too, from one color to the next. Love that part too. Awesome, awesome. So once again, a great Amazon buy. I do recommend those desks. I love they do have shelves. Let me just bring this out. The bottom half down here, this normally has a shelf that comes out, right? I didn't put the shelf on only because of my height, but it is one that's well worth getting. Peace.
Okay, so I really wanted to like this desk because $100 is pretty much a corner desk, which is what I need. But if you look here, these aren't screwed in all the way because, well, one, this won't screw in anymore because this is broken. Because I tried to, I tried to screw these in so that they're flush, and you cannot do that because if you do that, these pieces here break. And so, and this is this bottom shelf. This is the bottom shelf. This is not the only issue that I've had trying to put this together. I'm not even done putting it together yet. There's also the two legs. I think they're number 11. They don't screw on properly either. It was very difficult for me to get one of the screws in. So this is not a good purchase. As you can see here, I'm not going to be able to screw this in all the way because it's going to continue to break. You can't screw this in so it's flush because this side is also broken now. And there's no way for me to screw it in because every time I try, it just chips off, flakes, breaks off. There's no way to fix this. This is a terrible desk, terrible craftsmanship, and for it to be $100 is definitely not worth it. Find something else.
The colors.
He's right here and he's right here.